Hello, in this practical activity, we have to study practical number 7, use of PD controller to control the temperature of given process. In this experiment, we will make use of proportional plus derivative control action for this purpose. Refer this mathematical equation. Pt equal to k into E of t plus Td ddt of E of t. In this mathematical equation, this part, it is nothing but proportional value plus it is derivative value. Proportional controller is added with derivative controller action. So this controller is termed as PD controller. Now in PD control action, it is theoretical practical setup, theoretical circuit diagram. In this diagram, P mode of control action is combined with D mode of control action, and both of them, they are added together at this point. Output of the quantity or output is given back to the input, and it is compared with the set point. This input is compared with the set point by using a sensor. It is a theoretical diagram. या theoretical diagram मध्ये आपलं जे काही आउटपुट आहे ते आउटपुट टेम्परेचर बॅक टू इनपुटला आपण प्रोव्हाइड करणार. यासाठी एक एक्झाम्पल आपण पाहू. रिक्वायर्ड टेम्परेचर, रिक्वायर्ड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ टेम्परेचर सेट पॉइंट जर तुमचा 100 डिग्री सेल्सिअस असेल आणि प्रेझेंट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ टेम्परेचर जर 50 डिग्री सेल्सिअस असेल, तर या केसमध्ये error will be 100 minus 50. It is equal to 50 degree Celsius. This error value is given to proportional plus derivative control action. It is theoretical setup. It is a theoretical setup. For this experiment, we need a PID controller kit, PID controller setup kit, digital multimeter, and now please observe this experimental kit. The kit is same for PID, PD and PI control action. Now on this kit, as you can observe, the practical setup, it consists of a oven. We have to control the temperature of this oven, and by using this PID controller, we will control the temperature of this oven. This oven, it consists of, inside this oven there are two lamps, and this is a fan for cooling purpose. If you turn on the fan, then temperature of this oven, it will get reduced. Now assume that initially external temperature, it can be measured by using this RTD sensor. This RTD sensor, it can measure value of temperature inside this oven, and by using this RTD, present value of temperature is 34 degree Celsius. Present value of temperature is 34 degree Celsius. This green LED or LED in green color, it indicates our set point. Set point is 45 degree Celsius. Now we will record the readings of this PD controller. Time in seconds, it can be calculated or not calculated, it can be measured by using a stopwatch, and corresponding temperature we will record. You can observe LED light inside the oven is turned on, the bulb is turned on, and temperature it increases. At 25, the temperature is 37. At 35 seconds, the temperature is 39. At 45 seconds, temperature is 41.3. At 55 seconds, temperature is 43.5. This value is attained at 1 minute 5 seconds. So, in this table, on left hand side time is written in seconds, on right hand side temperature is written. So, SP equal to 45 degrees Celsius. This value is attained in time duration of total 65 seconds. These are the practical observations. Now in this case, error exists, error equal to required value is 45 degrees Celsius minus actual value, it is 46.8 degrees Celsius. So there is error of 1.8 degree Celsius. This is error value. Thank you.